मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहता हूँ
जी सर।
क्लास का जो आपने नर्सरी लेवल से थर्ड क्लास तक का
जी
वार्षिक उत्सव मनाने की योजना बनाई है, उसमें आपको इस थीम को जोड़ने का म्यूजिक या विकल्प कहाँ से आया? अतुल्य का ट्रेडिशनल इंडिया का जो मुझे विशेष तौर पर बहुत अच्छा लगा, तो शायद सभी को अच्छा लगा होगा कि ये आइडिया
Actually, sir, we all are in patriotism, and we know that the annual function are very important part for every parents and the students, because every year there once a time where the students or child present their performance on the stage. So patriotism, nationalism should be there the first priority. Being a citizen, every student and a parent should be proud for being a citizen of India. And Atulya Bharat, because we are living on 21st centuries, and everywhere in the mode of technology, in the mode of economics, in the mode of farming, everywhere India is progressing. So being a coming generation, being a part of the Suraj Group, or being a part of the education, it's the first priority. Our progressive nature we want to show to our parents and students about our country. If the parents and the students they think about their countries, so then definitely the growth of the country, the development part will be the first priority for everybody. And being an educator, it's the first priority. Every students in the area, they should be self-dependent and confident for their career. So that's why Atulya Bharat show the progress and prosperity of the country. That's why we select this theme, so that every student will be inculcate the feeling of nationalism among them.
आपका ये बहुत अच्छा इस आधार पे भी लगा कि आपके जो बच्चे थे ना, जिनको आपने लास्ट के 7 डेज में ही
Yes, sir. Only 7 days.
तो उनको मंच तक लाने में आपको या आपके स्टाफ को कितनी मेहनत करनी पड़ी होगी और किस तरह से उनको मोटिवेट किया होगा, इस विषय में कुछ पता चलेगा?
Definitely, sir. It's really very proud to be for that. I mean, very good and wonderful, dedicated and hard-working team members here, and every teachers, they are just not employed. They are working with their soul, 100% hard work and dedication. Very caring natures here for each and every student, and it's that the evidence of their hard work and dedication show in the program also. Within 7 days practice the wonderful program of in today's annual functions. So really I'm proud to my entire team also in the school, the teachers, coordinators and all the employees who are a part of, because it's not possible, because teamwork is a dream work, and my team is very strengthened and positive and honest for us. So that is the credit goes to the all team members.
इन नवीन बच्चों के विषय को आप किस तरह से और आगे देखते हैं, आप अपने पर्सपेक्टिव से कि किस तरह का मंच उनको आप सूरज के माध्यम से, सूरज ग्रुप एजुकेशन के माध्यम से देना चाहेंगे, किस तरह के आइडियाज आपके दिल दिमाग में दौड़ते रहते हैं, है ना? उनके विषय में आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
Actually, sir, every parents have a dream for their child, and it's a really good thing that in our group, Suraj School, every child is important. We think that every child is a unique creation of God, and we are giving platform on equal basis all the children here. And if we are talking about the different kind of facilities, so just we are not just giving the book knowledge to the students here, but we are giving the values among the children. We are giving the power to the students, and lots of other programs apart from the classrooms we are giving, like Heart Scout guide trainings, self-defense training for the girls, taekwondo classes for the girls. Apart from that, so many other programs also we had already known. So the best thing of this group is that every child is unique and every child is treated according to their potential. That is the different thing of school.
एक चीज़ जो मुझे देखने को मिली, जो 9th, 10th और 12th के बच्चों में ये देखने को कम मिलता है कि आपके बच्चों का जो उत्साह था, जो स्किल्स भी उनके पास नहीं था। यदि हम एक तो देखें तो एक तो बच्चे ही अपना परफॉर्म करने में मायूस नजर आए थे, 100 से ज़्यादा पार्टिसिपेट किया। तो इस चीज़ को आपने किस तरह से उनके अंदर स्टेज किया या अपने हुनर को समाज तक या पेरेंट्स तक पहुँचाना, और पेरेंट्स के सामने इस तरह से परफॉर्म करना, ये प्रेरणा आपने कैसे और किस तरीके से?
Actually, sir, nowadays we know that we are living on 21st century, And if a child has stage fear, so he can't perform anything in the future. So the first thing that through the assemblies, we have separate assemblies of block wise, junior to senior. We have 2020 programs. Every block 20 students, approx 80 students on regular basis, they are presenting their presentation on the stage. So there is no single students having the stage fear, number one. Number two, that if those students who are not interested for the same and they are just not involved such kind of practices, so it's participation of all the events. Because in the school, 12 months, many of the events conducted, and the first thing is that every student should take participation in every event. So we are giving the equal opportunity to everybody. So such kind of agitation